Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Tom Dog here with another Smuggler's Bounty unboxing for the month of March 2016. And this box, as always, is very, very huge. If you have not yet subscribed to Smuggler's Bounty, you are missing out on some awesome stuff. And the theme for this one, for this month, is Cantina. Having to do with the stuff that happens in the Cantina scene in Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to seeing what's in here. I can't wait any further. Just came in the mail today, and I'm excited. So let's go ahead and open this box. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Ugh. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. All right. Right off the bat, got a pin that's open out of the bag. I'll put that in there. Whoops. Oh, the bag ripped. It's all right. But yeah, that's the pin of the month. It has the Cantina, a member of the Cantina band. Very nice detail on that. Very nice. Never really opened it, so it's always a first for everything. And of course we have Greedo, the most icily scene. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's not wait any further. Here we go. There we go. And look at this, a Chewbacca pen. Look at that. That is adorable. I am not using this for anything. So that is very cute. That is very adorable. And then look at that. Wanted, criminal wanted, dead or alive. Mama. Very nice. Very nice. You know, wear that to work for me today. And got a couple of pop vinyl figures. Starting off with Ben Kenobi. That's really cool. Look at that. Smuggler's Bounty exclusive. That is nice. Very nice. And last but not least, a red Snaggletooth. That's awesome. That's really awesome. I like the detail on that. That's really cool. So, all right. Let's display these like I always do. Okay. There we go. All right. There you have it. The Cantina unboxing for March 2016. Very beautiful. Love the pop vinyl figures as always. Love the t-shirt. T-shirt's really awesome. The patch and the pen. I'm really digging the pen. That one's really cute. I like that. So, hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'm looking forward to the next Smuggler's Bounty box, which is, the theme is Bounty Hunters. So, we will see you in 2 months. for that unboxing, because that's when it comes out. It comes out in May, so going to be looking forward to that. So Boba Fett, of course. I'm hoping. So we will see you then. Till next time. Till then, this is Tom Dog saying take care. So long.